Hey guys, for those of you who don't know, I'm Kelly, and about a year and a half ago, me and my husband Nikolai decided to build an A-frame cabin up in northern Michigan. We faced pretty much every obstacle you can think of at every step of the way, but this week we're finally having our A-frame kit delivered. Obviously not before we do a little bit more problem solving. We literally cannot catch a break. Can't run, you can't do that in the snow, buddy. Oh, there you go. While we're waiting for our build to pick up speed, we've been looking at properties that are for sale up north. We thought it might be fun to buy something that's more turnkey and use it potentially as an investment property. This A-frame was beautiful, an amazing price, and in great condition, but the lake that it sits on has dangerously high water levels. Some neighboring homes are even completely flooded. We've been looking at vacant land, and we also toured this small home in Traverse City. It had a lot of character and was in a great location, but we found out that this area of the city doesn't allow short-term rentals. So far, we haven't found anything that's exactly what we're looking for. So for now, we're focused on continuing our A-frame build, while keeping a lookout for anything good that comes on the market. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. Are you ready? Oh! We might not make it. We're on our way to get a Christmas tree. I'm dressed like Run DMC. What are you dressed like?
Jesus.
Okay, that doesn't make it. Jesus doesn't wear vests. This is crazy. I can't work under these conditions. Are you ready?
For Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Oh, you smell that?
I like this one.
You smell that?
Mm-hmm. I like it. It's a good size. You don't have to hug the trees.
That was too easy.
Alright, do you look like this one? Or this one? So we've been thinking about investing in Detroit, building maybe single-family homes to sell or to do long-term rental, maybe even short-term rental, because I think there's a lot of opportunity for that in this area. So some of the things that we're looking for when we're looking at vacant land is just things that are like already in up-and-coming neighborhoods, something that's easy to connect to the grid. And we've noticed a few things when we've been looking at vacant land. For example, we found a lot for a really great price, but when we read the fine print, it said that you had to buy that lot in a bundle of 4 and they're not being sold separately. So it seems like some neighborhoods are looking more for developers rather than people who just want to build like one house at a time. There are a lot of apartments popping up around the city pretty quickly, so I think we're more interested in building homes that really reflect the character of the neighborhoods and just giving people an option to actually buy a single family home rather than a condo or an apartment. This is for inspiration. Show the people. Nice. I'm just leaving CVS because I'm going to visit my family in California tomorrow, so I wanted to get a COVID test before I go because Nikolai and I are just getting over COVID. We got it like right after Thanksgiving, and we're pretty sure we got it at a football game. and it was terrible. And just wanted to be, you know, what do they say? I feel like the COVID fog is killing my brain cells. Better safe than sorry. Why was that so hard? So after exchanging a ton of emails with a few different companies, we finally got someone to rent a shipping container from. We decided that we're not ready to buy a container yet because the permitting on container homes is really complicated and you don't always get approved, so we're just not ready to tackle something like that right now. So for now, we'll just be renting a shipping container through the winter to store our materials to make sure we can protect them from the weather. As of right now, we are still waiting on concrete to be poured for our foundation. We are on a list, and apparently they still do pour concrete throughout the winter, so we're just waiting on our turn. I arrived a couple of days ago, and I'm going to pick Nikolai up from the airport tomorrow night. Today is Tuesday, and today is the day that our shipping container is being delivered, and also the day that our A-frame kit is shipping out from Avrame's headquarters in Utah. Our family dog is watching me very intently right now. Let me see if I can get him. In order to save money on shipping, Avrame actually posts jobs on a job board for truck drivers, and then drivers can pick up those jobs. So the job was posted today, and now we're just waiting to see who picks it up, and then they will give us a date for delivery. We're actually going to be in California through the 27th, so I'm kind of hoping that our delivery date for the materials gets delayed to next week so that we can actually be there to see them delivered. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm pretty sure the next phase is actually starting to see a structure go up on our build site, which is crazy because we've been waiting for this moment for the last year. We closed on our construction loan in November of 2020, and we didn't break ground until October of 2021. So it's been a really long road. Another exciting development is that our kitchen design is done. So we're going to have a design presentation in 2 days, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like. I'm definitely going to share the kitchen designs with you guys, and I'm hoping you guys can give us some feedback and let us know about anything that we should add that we maybe haven't thought about before we fully order the kitchen. So until we get home and hopefully get some snow, I'm going to enjoy this. No jacket. It's December. I don't like it that much. I'm ready to snowboard. The view from my parents' house is actually really beautiful, and there's a really nice lake nearby that I visited yesterday, so I'm going to give you guys a look. Hey friends, so this is a little bit embarrassing, but today is January 4th, and it's awkward because I was talking to you guys before Christmas, and I was like, oh, our kit's about to ship out. None of the truck drivers actually picked up the job until today. So I think the job was online for like 10 days. We finally got a driver. Today is Tuesday, and he's going to arrive on Monday morning, which means we can be there to see our Avrame Trio 120 kit delivered. So we're really excited to show you guys that the crawl space is done, concrete has been poured, and we're going to get to see those little A's go up really soon. I also told you guys that our kitchen design is done, and it's amazing. We met with our designer, and we are just absolutely in love with the design. We love the all black sleek look, but you still get the wood grain, all black appliances, black soapstone countertops. We added in a wine fridge, and she added in small touches like a panel covering the dishwasher and hidden trash receptacles, as well as other things. I also really like the shelving that she put in. I wasn't sure if it was gonna look good, but we think it looks amazing. So we're really happy with the design. And now we're in the revisions phase. So if we can think of anything that we'd like to change about the kitchen, this is the time to do it before it goes into production. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, share it with your friends, And the next time we see you, we'll be up at the lot and we'll be showing you the progress on the build. Thanks for watching, and we hope you had a great holiday season.